Don't miss the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see 4 of the world's most renowned experts on health and nutrition come together for an unprecedented panel discussion only at the Real Truth About Health free 10-day live online conference. You won't find these health heroes all together in one place like this anywhere else on the planet. So if you've been trying to find the truth on how to live your healthiest life, join us for this phenomenal online event with 6-time New York Times best-selling author, internationally recognized expert on nutrition and natural healing, and author of The End of Heart Disease, Dr. Joel Fuhrman. Acclaimed cardiologist and best-selling author of The Plant-Based Solution, America's Healthy Heart Doc's Plan to Power Your Health, Dr. Joel Kahn. World-leading heart cardiologist and past president of the American College of Cardiology, Dr. Kim Williams. Plus, one of the world's leading experts in neurodegenerative diseases and author of The End of Alzheimer's, the first program to prevent and reverse cognitive decline, Dr. Dale Bredesen. They're doing it all for free, and they're doing it all for you. So don't miss this super panel of health leaders, only at the Real Truth About Health free 10-day live online conference, April 23rd to May 2nd, 2021. Sign up for free now.